Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text size on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your PS5 and for some reason you're finding that the font or text is a bit hard to read. How do you actually go ahead and change the text size? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to navigate to where it says settings right over here. Next, we're going to click on accessibility. Now from here, you want to scroll to the right and then find where it says text size. So you have multiple different options here. You have small, standard, large, and very large. So let's say that we keep it to very large. You can now see that the text on your PS5 is much larger than it was before. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the text size on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.